Are you spending money on Amazon ads, but have no idea who you're actually targeting? Amazon doesn't warn you when you're wrong. It just quietly charges you for every mistake. This is where most sellers and agencies fail, but EcomSynergy solved it with a system that actually predicts your target audience with logic, not luck. Let me show you how. Part 1, the real problem. No one knows the target. The biggest problem with Amazon PPC? There's no error message for bad targeting. You run the wrong campaign. Amazon doesn't say anything, it just charges you. Most advertisers use old tricks or copy what worked for someone else's product. But that doesn't mean it'll work for your product, because every product has different attributes, different levels, different stages. Part 2, EcomSynergy's Predictive Targeting System. At EcomSynergy, we do it differently. In our deep dive analysis, we first figure out where your business actually stands and where it should be. Based on that, we identify 3 key things: your product's specific and broad attributes, your level and stage, your actual position inside Amazon's algorithm. From there, we predict the most accurate target audience. Think of it like building a map. We don't guess where the customer is. We plot exactly who they are and how they behave. Part 3, how our audience prediction works. We use both word-based and context-based keyword selection to predict who's actually searching for your product. And our predefined targeting templates help us map that audience clearly, even before launching. The result? Lower wasted spend, more control on budget versus return, easier measurement of performance. Part 4, match type mastery. We avoid keyword chaos. One more key part, match type control. Our predicted audience helps us choose exact, phrase, and broad match smartly. We predict how many search terms a keyword will pull and avoid duplication and overlap. That means no wasted spend, no irrelevant traffic, no chaos in your campaigns. Part 5, why sellers trust this system. Most agencies use a one-size-fits-all strategy or hand your ads off to junior VAs. At EcomSynergy, this predictive audience system is built into our core. It's not guesswork. It's not theory. It's the real structure that gives you control, visibility, and results. Let's build the right targeting system for your product. If you're tired of just running ads, and you're ready to build something that works with the algorithm, not against it, then you're ready for EcomSynergy. Let's build your audience the right way. Book a free growth call now.